Now what we're going to do is change the toilet seat. For this you will need a pair of gloves, a new toilet seat, and you may also need a pair of grips. You can see here at the side we have the connections that currently connect this toilet seat to the toilet. On some old toilets these connections may be metal, and this is where you will need a pair of grips to be able to remove the old connections. So let me just show you what we need to do. We need to turn the top of the connection to the left. This is called the nut. And what this will do is it will turn all the way down the bolt till we get to the bottom. As I said, on some toilets this connection is metal and may take up to 10 or 15 minutes to remove, but perseverance is the key. So now what we want to do is put the new toilet seat on. I've already put one side on, but I want to show you how the other side goes in. So when you take your new toilet seat out of your pack, you will have various connections. These will always be slightly different, but there will always be 3 or 4 main parts. So here we have the main bolt, which connects through the hole in the toilet, and here you will see there are 2 holes in the toilet, and this will always be the same on every toilet. So that connection goes through there. You also have this connection here, which effectively connects the bolt to the toilet seat. That goes in there, and that goes in there. You also have this here, which is the main nut that will connect underneath the toilet to allow the toilet seat to be connected. And this is the bit that I really want to show you now. So if we just come to the side of the toilet here, you will see we have the main bolt. We also have the nut. And you will see this nut is flat at one side but rounded at the other. And the purpose of this is when you turn this up and attach this to the main bolt, this round bit will actually sit in the bottom of the hole and will allow it to be tightened properly. So what I'm now going to do is tighten this up so it's right to tight all the way up. Again, with this you may need a pair of grips when you get to the end just to tighten it up substantially. So we go all the way to the top, keep going all the way to the top, and as you get to the top, depending on how strong you are, you can either do this with your fingers or you can do this with a pair of grips. So that is now gone up to the top, and as you can see, that round bit there is now sitting in the hole at the bottom. You need to do this on both sides through both holes. That will then allow the toilet seat to be connected and will stay strong on the toilet.